Well, here we are at the Connestee Falls Information Center.
Yeah, I think it's called Connestee Falls.
Connestee or Connestee?
Connestee, I don't know. Kind of a nice little walkway here. So we walk toward the waterfall.
All right, here we are. We're gonna just look over here and probably see some waterfalls. It's a viewing area.
So here's the waterfall, and I can't get up to it.
Such a cool, very unique waterfall where you have two waterfalls converging down in this like valley, and then they go down the same stream. Yeah, it's still very beautiful. I did not expect something so unique out of this waterfall because the guy at the information center kind of downplayed it.
The trail that gets up to it's just a wooden path. It's really short. So this is the first waterfall here in Northern Carolina that I've been to that you're actually above the waterfall looking down. I'm just going to take my time, do some praying. All right, we're going to the next waterfall. Oh, they got a little bridge over there. Guess that's how you get to the other trail.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to see it this morning. We'll have time to try to search for it.
James, you all ready? You're all geared up, man. We're going to space today.
I know, we're going to space and then some. Yeah, we saw like maybe 8 police cars roll out of this place yesterday, so we kind of found the town's police breakfast spot, and maybe they have good taste or there's just something in the coffee.
So James and I just drove right up to another waterfall called Key Falls. This one is definitely accessible just from the car because you could just get right up to it.
So yeah, we had to hike from right there to here, well, kind of by choice, and here we go.
All these little intricate falls all the way up.
Well, every falls is called falls.
They're all called falls?
Yeah, they're all called falls.
They're not just a fall.
Waterfalls.
God wants us to live life more abundantly. James, I'm excited about living life to the very fullest.
Me too. Let's do it.
This is a life filled with adventure. We literally parked right there, right next to this waterfall. I just like the steps on this waterfall. You could just climb up the waterfall. Probably one step at a time, see where it goes. It's not a very big river, but it is gorgeous from this area. There's just all these, like, the way the rocks stack up. It just goes right up this mountain. This mountain's just full of that kind of rock underneath, but there's just so much greenery that just covers this entire landscape. I am so blessed to be here. It's just amazing. Like, I could just stand here and enjoy it for like probably a couple hours. Hey James, we are now gonna leave Key Falls, but that was a great adventure and great waterfall, great scenery. I would just think it must be really cool living on this road because you get to pass by this waterfall every single day. This is a private road, but yeah, it is pretty cool.
Yeah, there's actually a couple waterfalls that are probably this size that I haven't shown you that are actually near where we live.
Oh, cool.
too. So
Yeah. Well, nice. Very
Yeah.
nice.
we've got more to see.
All right, let's do it.